For large manufacturing enterprises, achieving real benefits outputs by leveraging Industry 4.0 technologies is complex. And when we break down what are the key things that you have to look at, there are at least 4 key components that organizations have to look at to make sure that they're able to get real value out of their Industry 4.0 initiatives. The first is lead with strategy, not with technology. We've seen cases where you're so enticed by the technology that you go down a path of what is possible using that technology, and it turns out that it doesn't really fit your strategy as what you as an organization want to do. The second critical component of getting Industry 4.0 right is use your ecosystem of partners, or build your ecosystem of partners. It is tempting to solve all of it by a single entity, but it is extremely difficult for any one company to solve the complexities across these technology stack. So make sure you are leveraging an ecosystem of partners who are good at what they do and build that ecosystem. The third component is be agile. When you connect your assets and processes, you're going to find out so much more about how these assets behave and what these processes really are, that you should be able to quickly make changes in what you want to achieve. The fourth component, the final component of a really successful Industry 4.0 transformation is about how you bring the various groups within your organizations together and get the buy-in. Very often for you to roll out a successful Industry 4.0 transformation program, you have to have buy-in from operations, from engineering, from IT, and the field service folks. Getting this early buy-in ensures that your chances of success are much higher when you roll it out at scale.